this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun easel card with the Whimsical Trees bundle, which is part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite. Here is the Whimsical Trees bundle. It has these fun trees, ornaments, and sentiments with dies that cut out the trees, as well as extra dies and little ornament dies that are so cute. And then extra tree dies and star dies, and oh my goodness, the die set is so much fun. And as part of this suite, you have the Blushing Bride frayed grosgrain ribbon, which is super pretty, light, and the Whimsy and Wonder Specialty Designer Series paper. It has foil on each page, and then a fun design on the back, and then you can cut out these trees. That's where I got these 3 trees from, is from the Designer Series paper, and I used the dies to cut them out. So this die cuts out this one, and then you have this die and this small tree die that also cut out these 2 trees. And then we've got presents and stripes. I love the stripes, and ornaments. Super pretty paper. And then we have the snowflakes. You get 24 of these glimmery snowflakes, and they're already all cut out. You just carefully pop them out. And so I'm going to grab one off this sheet right now for this card, and you just carefully pop out each point. And then it comes out for you. It's just very delicate, so I want to be careful. And you could use either side. There's a shiny side and a matte side. And what's also fun is you could color the matte side whatever color you want with a sponge dauber or direct to paper or whatever you want to do to color it. So you could make the snowflakes any color that you want. I'm going to use the shimmery side. I just love the shimmery side. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to move these aside. I am just using a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 mint macaron, and then a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 of the Designer Series paper. And I'm just going to adhere that flat. And the easel part of the card is right here. So that's kind of like what would be the inside of your card. So let's see. Just put this on. Whoops. And that's our background right there. And then I have a piece of, I think this is 8 by 2 3/4. And then you're going to score it at 2 and 4. Super easy, 2 and 4. Okay, and the folded part is going to be help the easel part, help it stand up. So we're going to attach this side, the side without the extra score line, to the back. So this is going to go in the middle here. And then I used the Stitch So Sweetly dies, the largest scalloped rectangle, and another piece of the Designer Series paper. The back has the trees, and this one is, okay, there's my ruler. This one is 2 5/8 by 3 7/8. So I wanted it to fit really nicely inside the stitching, the dots, like that. So those are the measurements that you'll need for that. Really like this paper, it's really pretty. Okay, so now we're going to attach this only to this piece right here, and we want it to be centered. but we're only going to put adhesive on this piece right here. That's it. But we really want it to stick down. So I'm just gonna hold that down while I try and center this. Looks like it needs to go this way a little bit. Okay. So that's our easel mechanism. So now we just do some decorating. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 2.5 by 3 3/4. And I'm going to, oops, I have a boo-boo on the other side, or just another stamp. I'm just gonna put that this way, inside here. So this goes inside. And then to create the easel part, I've stamped in mint macaron, "May the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart." And so that's gonna go on dimensionals. That's the key to creating an easel. So then I can place this on the bottom where I want the easel to go. So I think right about there is good, so that I leave a little space to write just a little message down here. And then now the fun part, I think we can decorate the front. So I'm gonna start with my snowflake, and I'm just going to use a mini dimensional to adhere this just right in the middle there. And orient it this way. And then, like I said, I cut out some of the trees. So here's the large tree, and it's going to be on top. So just place that right there. And then the second largest tree, I'm going to put right next to it, about right there. And then the little itty bitty tree, so cute, is just gonna fit right over here. And then I cut out some of the little trees from the dies. So I'm gonna put those on mini dimensionals, and I'm gonna trim the stems a little bit, the trunks a little bit. This one I don't think I am going to, because I'm gonna stick it over here like that. But this one I'm gonna trim because it's way too long. And so I'm just gonna tuck this under this one right about there. Nice. And then the last thing I did was I stamped Joy and cut it out with the, I want to say this is the Stitched So Sweetly. I will check and put all of the supplies in the description below, so you can check that out for all the supplies. So just put Joy right there, and there you have this fun, pretty easel card. I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the Whimsy and Wonder bundle or place a $40 order. And we have a shaker card, and we have this fun fold frame card here. So go to my website, click on Shop Now, and use the current hostess code, or you can go to shopelanescreations.com and you can place your $40 order or buy the Whimsical Trees bundle. You can buy the suite too. In fact, you find the suite on pages 24 and 25 of the catalog. So here's the bundle right here, and then here are all the ribbon and snowflakes and DSP, or you could order the whole suite with one number if you love it all like I do. And then you see they colored that snowflake right there, the mint. So pretty. Anyway, then send me an email and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial with the Whimsical Trees bundle. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials with the Whimsical Trees bundle. It's part of the Whimsy and Wonder suite. So beautiful in the mini catalog. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.